solving this. Now we can check out how to solve the system of equations using Cholesky's method. So yeah, we can look at the question here. This is the question. Then how to solve? Let's take a look. So first you have to write this in the form A equal to L into L transpose. So here this is a 4 by 4 matrices. So this matrix L matrix also contain 4 by 4 terms. L transpose also contain 4 by 4. It's also 4 by 4 matrices. So first L matrix can be written like this: L11 0 0 0, L21 L22 0 0, L31 L32 L33 0, then L41 L42 L43 L44. Then this is the transpose of this matrix. So how to write the transpose of a matrix? We already know about it, is it? So to write the transpose of a matrix, you have to write this first entries in row forms. Okay, so just the transpose. So write this column, write it as row here. Then this column, write it as row here. Similarly, the other two columns also you can write. So thus you can write the L transpose matrix. So A matrix is nothing but the coefficient matrix given in the question. So after this you have to find the product of L into L transpose. So you have to multiply this 4 by 4 matrix with this 4 by 4 matrices. Then after multiplying you will get a single 4 by 4 matrix like this. So now you have to compare both this matrices and you have to find the value of L11, L21, L31, L41, etc. by equating this with this matrix. Okay, so you know in the position of 8 what is there? L11 square is given, is it? So you can write L11 square equal to 8. From this equation you can solve for L11 and you will obtain the value as 2 root 2. Then consider L21 and L11. So in the position of L21, L11, the value given is 4. So you have to equate L21, L11 with the 4. So equating that we have, okay, so L11, L21 equal to 4 we got. Now here we know the value of L11 which have been already formed here. So substituting that you will get the value of L21. Again consider L31, L11. In the position of L31, L11 value given is 2. So you have to equate that with 2. So we know the value of L11, substitute the value of L11, then we can obtain the value of L31. Similarly, equating all these terms with the simultaneous terms in the A matrices, you can find the value of these unknowns here. Okay, so thus you can solve and find the values of the unknowns. So after finding the unknowns, you can substitute that values in the LU matrices. So this is LU matrix, product of LU matrix. Okay, so substitute those values in the LU matrices. Then you will get, then you have to multiply that with the Y matrix in order to find the unknown values of Y. So now this becomes L into L transpose into Y equal to B matrix. So solve it. So you will get 2 root 2. So 2 root 2 Y1 equal to 24. How we get that? Multiplying this row with this column. Okay, you will get the value of Y1. Similarly, consider multiply this row with this column, then find the value of Y2. Then multiply this row with this column, find the value of Y3. And multiply this row with this column, find the value of Y4. So after finding the values of Y, you can solve for getting the value of X. That is L transpose into X is equal to Y. So you know what value of L transpose here. So this is L transpose matrix. Sorry, here there I made an error. This is the L matrix. Okay, this is not the product of L into L transpose matrix. This is only L matrix. So L into Y equal to B. So you have to solve for that. So this is the L matrix. Okay, so don't make the mistake here. This is the L matrix. So L into Y equal to B. Then you have to solve for this. Next, we are for solving X, we are considering this equation, that is L transpose of X equal to L transpose into X equal to Y. So this is L transpose matrix. Okay, so this is L transpose matrix. This is the unknown to be calculated, and this is the Y matrix which we have found above. So from here you can find the value of x1, x2, x3 and x4. So to get the value of x4, you have to multiply this row with this column. Okay, so to get the value of x3, you have to multiply this row with this column and equate with this. Again, to find the value of x2, you have to multiply this row with this column, and to find the value of x1, you have to multiply this row with this column. So hence we can get the values for what? X1, x2, x3, x4. So these are the unknowns which are to be evaluated. So this is how we solve using Cholesky method. Next, we have to learn about indirect methods. So till this we have learned about direct methods. So in direct method, what we obtain is that using this method we can get solution after certain amount of fixed computation. But in case of indirect method, how we solve is that first of all we start from an approximation to the true solution, and then we obtain better and better approximation from computations through iterative methods. Okay, so there are mainly two methods, two indirect methods which we have to learn here, that is Jacobi's iteration method and Gauss-Seidel iteration method. So this is what Jacobi's iteration methods procedure. So we have to consider the equation a1x plus b1y plus c1z equal to d1. Then a2x plus b2y plus c2z equal to d2. And a3x plus b3y plus c3z equal to d3. So we can write from here, we are writing, we are taking x, we are changing this equation in terms of x. Okay, so taking x here, you can get the value as x equal to 1 by a1 into d1 minus b1y minus c1z. Similarly, write y and also z. Then let's start with the initial approximation as x0, y0, z0 for the value of x, y and z respectively. So substituting the value of x as y as y0 and z as z0, x1 turns out to be this. So similarly y1 turns out to be this and z1 turns out to be this. In the next approximation, you have to substitute the value of x1, y1, z1 on the right side of equation 2. Okay, so here x2 equal to 1 by a1 into d1 minus b1 into, instead of y0 you have to put the new value, that is y1. Instead of z0 you have to put the new value, that is z1. So similarly you can find the value for y2, z2, and this step has to be repeated until the difference between the two consecutive approximations is negligible or So or the error is very small. Okay, so this is Jacobi's iteration method procedure.